So this is the Kawasaki Eliminator 1988. I do have my helmet on, sorry if it sounds weird. But I am enjoying this motorcycle. It is a 250cc. Most people would call it a beginner bike, a beginner cruiser bike, naked bike, whatever you want to call it. But it has decent speed. I've got it up to like 60 miles an hour down this stretch down there. So it's got some decent speed, and that was maybe in 4th or 5th gear. I heard it can get up to about 90 miles an hour. So I think it's got decent speed for a beginner bike. I didn't want to get anything too crazy that might be out of my skill level. I actually might end up keeping this one for a while because of just the simplicity of it and the low price I got it for. I don't really want to make payments on a new bike. I could flip it, but it might serve its purpose for a while. I know they do have newer versions of this Eliminator that went up to early 2000s, I think. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I got the clip of me riding around practicing U-turns. I just started riding when I bought this bike. I've never had a motorcycle or dirt bike before. So if that gives you some frame of reference of a good beginner bike, this one was good for me. It sits low. I can put my feet on the ground. I feel in control. It doesn't sit up too high. It doesn't take off too fast, but it does have the decent power if you need to get up and go. Once again, this is Tinkering Tom. Trying to get to 300 subscribers. Motorcycle content wasn't really my thing. I don't know how it's going to go, but I'm enjoying learning right now. So if you guys want to follow beginner bikes or just learning on the bike and kind of my experience getting into bikes, please hit subscribe or hit that alert button to follow the channel. And otherwise, guys, I'm going to get back on going, and you guys have a good day. Peace. It's a Turbo Subaru Forester. I like those. Get you a nice empty parking lot to learn in. Watch. Actually, shout out to Ride Like a Pro Jerry. He's a motorcycle cop, or he was a motorcycle cop who also teaches classes. He was a good one to watch on YouTube for me. Yami Noob. Shout out to him. Moto Jitsu, maybe. There's some other ones I'm just forgetting to mention right now. Dan the Fireman, yes, yeah, I know him. He's pretty good. He does help teach you some things to look out for when you're riding, mostly crashes and stuff, how to avoid them. So follow those guys too, guys. Those are some of the people I looked at, watched, and they had some really good information for beginners. Peace. Tinkering Tom.